Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off or disable Instagram calls. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into your Instagram account and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to launch your profile page. Then you want to select the hamburger icon at the top right. And where it says how you use Instagram, select where it says notifications and select where it says calls. And where it says video chats, you can turn that off just by selecting the off option right there. You can also select from profiles you follow, or if you want to re-enable it later, you can select from everyone. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.